We appreciate all of you being here today. It's turning out to be a pretty nice day, a little more than I thought. Anyway, my name is Mark Smith. I'm here to represent NASA, and these are real rockets. You see how many rockets? These are real. They're old ones. They're from the 1950s, 1960s. They are spare extra rockets that were never used. But this is what we used in the 1950s and 60s. Now, did you know we have another space area here? You're at Kennedy Space Center right now. What? Due east, on the ocean, right down the road, about 6 miles, 10 kilometers, is the other space area. It's called the Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. The Cape. NASA started out on the Cape in the 1950s, and by 1968, we moved over here, and then we started sending humans to the moon. So we still have 2 reactor launch pads at the Cape, 2 launch pads at Kennedy Space Center, 5 launch pads between the 2 areas, and those are current active launch pads. So every month we have things going up. We have a launch that's scheduled for tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, about 8:40 in the morning, you're carrying a batch of satellites going up from launch pad 39A, one of our 2 big launch pads here. Anyway, every month we got stuff going up. We got satellites, probes, rovers, supply ships to the space station, humans. Every month we got stuff going up. We did 31 launches from this area last year. We're probably going to do close to 40 this year, just so you know. Okay, I'll be in the backyard. I'm going to try to keep the sun at your back there, and you'll be able to hopefully see it all. All right. You guys ready? Come on in. You know, the space race was the big thing after World War II. It was the Soviet Union and America trying to get things first into space. And the Soviet Union ended up launching the very first satellite. What was that called? Sputnik, thank you very much. You're from Russia? Okay, Sputnik. There you go. It went up in October 1957. Over here, this area, the shaded area here, you should be able to see all the rockets. So Sputnik was launched in October 4th, 1957. And America launched its first American satellite about 2 months later. It was called Explorer 1. And nobody that rocket right now. Got a black side color, UV. It's called the Jupiter C rocket. And the thing looks like a big white crayon on the top there. That's what Explorer 1 looked like. One of the guys who worked on that was Dr. James Van Allen. When Explorer 1 got to space on January 31st of 1958, it detected a radiation belt going around the Earth, and we named them for him, Van Allen radiation belts. All the early launches that were done on the Cape prior to 1958 were done by the U.S. military. That's the Army, Navy, and Air Force. Okay, that happened to be an Army launch when Explorer 1 went up. And then 6 months later, around July 1958, that's when NASA was created for part of the federal government, not civilian, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. So kind of a white rocket over there. It's got NASA on the side of it. Man, we're able to put a name on some things. All right, the Jupiter rocket. And we would launch some satellites on rockets like that, but we also put cameras under the nose cone of rockets like that. And we would launch them from Cape Canaveral. Jupiter rockets like that would fly towards the moon, and they would take some pictures for us. Because we wanted to land on them eventually, so we had pictures of potential landing spots. That's what we had to do. That's called the Pioneer program. Number 19, this one here in the middle. It's called a Thor Delta rocket. That's an early communications, early satellite launch vehicle. Now, you may remember a satellite was launched on the rocket like this in 1952. It became kind of famous. It was called Telstar 1. And it provided TV, telephone, and radio communications between the U.S. and Europe. All right, it's not really different from space. Russia, right? Who's the first people to go to space?
What?
That's right. You're seeing Russia. You're a big guy and popping up. They said, come on. In April 1961, later, America sent the Florida. The American flag was Alan Shepard. And he watched our record look just like that, okay? With the red butters, checker ball thing at the top. Well, it's here in the head from and he put in the space so people right down there. That's a cool thing that we do. It lasted 15 minutes. Next to the space, he comes down there behind us and you pick him up. The line of improvements in the way here, because a year later, February 20th of 1962, we sent up John Glenn on the right hand like a silver under that. That is a Mercury program Atlas rocket. John Glenn got into capsule like that with air. He goes into the space on the Cape and he orbits the Earth. He went all the way around our planet 3 times. And then stopped over to the mess. And Wallace Shaw, Gordon Goober, 4 of our astronauts, orbited the Earth off a rocket like that. Then we changed rockets again. 1964, we changed rockets. And we started using one that looks like that gray, silver, black, and white one that's over there. See? That's called the Titan II rocket. Now, in the mid-60s, the program name changed from Mercury to Gemini, and that's the kind of rocket we used in the Gemini program. Now, you probably figured out by now that NASA is pretty big on Greek and Roman mythology. So, Gemini is Greek for twins. When we're in the middle of the Gemini program, you see the lighting on top of the rocket up there is a capsule. That's where humans live. It's a 2-seater. Twin-seater, okay? Greek for twins. So anyway, we did 12 launches and we orbited the Earth only. 1964 to 66, we're practicing everything we need to learn to go to the moon. We have to practice docking in space and spacewalks. And then we begin the moon program named Apollo. It starts with a rocket that looks like the big one that we won't land in. That is called a Saturn 1B rocket. That's not the moon rocket, it's a smaller brother. So what we did on January 27, 1967, we take a rocket that looks just like that, and we put it on the launch pad on Cape Canaveral. The Apollo capsules have 3 seats. So we put 3 astronauts on top of the rocket, rolling into a dress rehearsal called the plugs out test. So they're on the rocket, on the launch pad all day, in the capsule. Gus Grissom, Ed White, and Roger Chaplin. Later in the day, about 6:30, we developed a fire inside the capsule. And a spark of the 2 wires, and we couldn't even get the hatch open. It happened so fast, we lost all 3 guys. So after that, NASA put a whole lot of space program that lasted maybe 2 years. So we had to check everything we had to do. Late 1968, we finished doing all that, and we were ready to move from Cape Canaveral to Kennedy Space Center. We're built and ready here. And this Saturn V rocket on the launch pad, we're ready to go. We put an Apollo capsule on the top, 3 men get into it, and they sent it to the moon. It was Apollo mission number 8, December 1968. We only orbited the moon on that trip and come back to Earth. Apollo 9, the next mission didn't even go to the moon. Apollo 10 goes to the moon Tuesday and 3 guys orbit the moon and come back. And then on July 20th, 1969, we land humans on the moon. Apollo 11. And who was the first man to walk on the moon? Yes. Who said that? Okay, you get a prize. Okay. Was the U.S. correct answer? That's the last American. Okay. All right. What are 2 guys? Okay. Neil comes out of the lab first. 20 minutes later, he releases the second time.
Featuring the U.S. astronaut.
Buzz Aldrin.
Yes, he said that.
He just
You did it. Oh, okay, very good. Well, I'll give you a according to.
Okay, there you go. There you go. All right, now let's, I gotta tell you somebody yesterday, you said Buzz Aldrin, that's correct. Yesterday, somebody said Buzz Lightyear. So, and he didn't get a call. But you got it right. Okay, so Apollo 12 is an expansion, and it's perfect. But then Apollo 15 launches all the way to the moon. The point of the way they call it said Apollo 13, we have a problem. Fortunately, Apollo 13 spacecraft blows up on the way to the moon. We barely have a last song, but he's still around the moon to come back to Earth. Apollo 14 landed on the moon, everything's fine. Apollo 15, Apollo 16, Apollo 17 was the last landing on the moon, and that took place in 1972. And the space station will be on the Skylab in the orbit of the Earth for a few years. 1975, the very last thing we did in the Apollo program, America and the Soviet Union brought together in space the Apollo Soyuz test flight. They began to show us. We remember that 1981. That's when we started the show program. 30 years. We're still one here. And we did this too. We lost calendar in 1986 in Columbia. We kept going and we did the show program 10 years ago. It was July 11, last time we go out. At last, you're not right. Well, it's here. There's a whole change sitting on it. It's a new configuration for the space office. If you go behind that tank into the big red building there, you'll see it. The blackness is there. Discovery was another one. We put that in Washington, the Air and Space Museum in Denver, and Los Angeles Science Center. There you go. All right, we're almost done. No more trouble. We're going to do rocket right now. Big, powerful, high-tech new rocket. It's called the Space Launch System, SLS. We just had a test fire of the engines yesterday in Mississippi. It went okay. It was not perfect, but it was okay. We'll be ready to hopefully all parts here later in the year. We're going to send the moon with a new capsule named Orion. And Orion is for that trip later this year. It's just going to go around the moon and then come back to Earth. Because in 3 years, by 2024, we're targeting setting humans in the moon for good. It's the new moon program called Artemis. Artemis is the twin sister of Apollo in Greek mythology, the goddess of the moon. The next person to walk on the moon will either be a man or a woman. It's a man team. Yeah, once we figure out how to land on the moon, we just take this one here. I said, on the next of the program, you first to the moon and eventually Mars. We now have two American companies, Boeing and SpaceX. They have capsules built for NASA, and we are in the process of using those two new capsules, launching next things to launch from here to get to the space station, and then next thing is great on the stuff. So there you go. You guys are learning a lot of cool things. They're good being with us. I want to make sure they as you go through and see everything. NASA.gov is on the website. You can look at a lot of stuff there. Look at questions, just ask them. You go. There you go. Very good. Thank you.
Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.